I teach at the University of Pennsylvania postgraduate perio program, as well as Temple University and Albert Einstein Medical Center. And in my lectures to my residents, I frequently mention StellaLife. And what we found is that our patients experienced much faster healing and a whole lot less discomfort, which meant that we didn't have to use as many post-operative medications.
Since we started using StellaLife, we've seen a big change in our patient satisfaction after surgery. We see better compliance because they love the mouth rinse. Even after they're done with surgery and they're done with their post-surgical instructions, they still want more StellaLife. And that goes down into the ingredients that comes from StellaLife.
Prescribe opioids and lots of NSAIDs and all. Those patients are reduced prescribing all the opioids. And pain control and also the soft tissue healing is really good.
What you like is when patients come back the following week, they'll typically say, the product really made a difference. If they were sore, they were uncomfortable, they put the gel on and right away they felt better. So it's a great way for them to have a more comfortable experience, and I've noticed that soft tissue things heal quicker.
And the StellaLife came in and it makes life so much easier on patients after surgeries, patients dealing with lichen planus, patients dealing with a lot of issues that we were trying to handle going through one treatment after the other. StellaLife kills the time, makes the outcome of the treatment better, and it's a great product. Patients love it, we love it, the staff really enjoy using it every single day.
And the first person I tried StellaLife on was a dentist who I placed an implant in, and he came back to me the next week and he said, "I love this stuff." He said it is great, and he started ordering it himself.
One particular patient I think of is my sister. She fractured a tooth and I had to extract it and place an implant, and instead of opiates we used StellaLife. And she said it was so great because she didn't feel sick and loopy, and she felt like she could get back to her routine quicker.
It's revolutionized and it's changed so much the way I practice because my patients do notice enhanced healing. They do reduce the discomfort. They come back and they want to buy more rinse because they just feel like this is what's making them heal and get more healthy.
And it is really easy to use. There's a rinse, a spray, and a gel. And over a period of 7 days, patients experience less pain, less swelling, less bleeding, less bruising, and who doesn't want that? Not that our procedures are that bad anyway, but we love StellaLife.
So there are two main areas that I use this product. One is for straightforward surgical cases. When the patients use it before and after surgery, it really reduces the post-surgical complications, swelling, pain, and so forth. As it suppresses bacterial growth, it keeps the mouth clean, and it really vitalizes new tissue to grow fast. So therefore, it genuinely enhances the healing capacity. Very well used, and people come back with outstanding results with definitely less swelling, less pain, and so forth. The second large area that I use for is for oral medicine patients. In a periodontal practice like mine, we have a very large subset of patients who have lichen planus, white lesions, all kinds of pathological lesions, and these patients also benefit tremendously. Patients with pemphigus, things of that nature where hygiene is very difficult, there's constant pain, and we see significant relief of pain as well as enhanced oral hygiene in these patients. So it is an excellent product to incorporate in a periodontal practice.